the unboxing is unboxed. All right, these are instructions how to pair it. Pause it if you need to. Now here's how it works. So this is off, boom, on. Now we want to show you the sounds. Now let me turn the light on because that's what you guys want to see, right? We'll see the lights, colors. Then you could create your custom color, but these are the colors right now. Then you have one where it changes colors. Let's listen to the rest of the sounds. Yes, they have a dry sound. Then you got the lullabies. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. And before I say take care, I want to let you guys see how it looks in the dark. And then I'm going to change the color a little bit. Equals to increase the volume. This is probably one of my favorites. But it's not about me, it's about the baby, right? So, we'll probably put the... Alright, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, you can also adjust the light if you don't want it too bright. Forgot to show you guys that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You want it really bright, you can. If you want it's too bright, put very subtle. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and take care.